A study in 2017 conducted under the aegis of World Economic Forum regarding the potential booming sectors of businesses in the next decade identified construction sector as the front runner due to the project exponential development of infrastructure in the emerging Asian and African
Considering
economies.
this, materials required in this sector will be of great demand in the coming years. Steel nails and concrete nails are two such products which is required in large quantities, and the present combined production capacity of the whole world is only 40% of the total requirements.
Wire nail making is relatively considered as a small scale industry and does not require huge factories. Obtaining the required permission is relatively easy, and continuous supply of the required raw material ensures continuous production and steady profits. Since the end product is in high demand, finding the market for the product is also easy. The manufacturing process is also very simple and requires only one skilled labor to look after a set of at least 10 machines. Most nails are made from coils of metal wire. The wire is fed into the nail making machine, which can produce up to 800 nails per minute. The nails may then be further twisted or formed, cleaned, finished, and then packaged to the final destinations. Forming is a process where wire is drawn from a coil and fed into the nail making machine, where it is gripped by a pair of gripper dies. The shape of the head of the nail has been machined into the end of the dies. While the dies clamp the wire in place, the free end of the wire is stuck by a mechanical hammer. This deforms the end of the wire into the die cavity to form the head of the nail. With the wire still clamped in the dies, a set of shaped cutters strike the opposite end of the nail, forming the point and cutting the nail free from the rest of the wire coming off the coil. The dies open and an expelling mechanism knocks the nail into a collection pan below the machine. The free end of the wire is drawn from the coil and fed into the machine. The cycle then continues. The nails are then cleaned in a rotating barrel filled with hot caustic soda. This removes any oil from the forming machine and cleans up any small metal scraps or nippings that might be clinging to the nails. Many nails are given a final bright finish before being packed. This is accomplished by placing the nails in a rotating drum of hot sawdust to lightly polish the surface of the nails. Other nails may be passed through an open flame in an oven
to give them a blued finish. Galvanized nails are dipped into a tank of molten zinc in a process called hot dip galvanizing. A zinc coating may also be applied by the heating the nails to about 570 degree Fahrenheit in a closed container filled with powder composed of zinc dust and zinc oxide. As a process of quality control, raw materials must meet certain standards for chemical composition, yield strength, hardness, corrosion resistance, and other properties. These are usually certified by the company supplying the wire and may be independently checked by the nail manufacturer.
If you are someone who is searching for a business idea, nail making business is what we can suggest. By choosing such a business, you are moving with the flow of the economy and maximizing the benefit from the situation. We at Pulse Morgan offer a wide range of nail making machines for you to choose depending upon your requirement and considering your budget. We prepare a formal project plan after discussing with you and helps in acquiring the necessary permits and other documents required. Price range starts from as low as 3,500 US dollars.
We export these machines to any part of the world which is connected with
Commercial shipping. Sorry, we cannot export this to Antarctica. We also ensure continuous raw material supply to you once the production starts. You have to make your own arrangements for marketing the products. So, visit www.pulsemorgan.in for more details.